What I love about this dish is when you see me cramming stuff in this chicken breast. That's right, you can put anything in there you want. That's the cool part about this cook. This is like a Cordon Bleu chicken, Papa Texas style, and it's a twofer. We're gonna have the veggies, the surprise veggies on the side, and it's like shaped like a kiss, and no one knows what it is until they open it sitting on their plate. That's cool. That's what I got for you. Let's get it going. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Just to show you real quick the ingredients that will be in this cook today. And yes, we're using the new Texas Cajun Uncle Steve shake. Alright, so that's what we got. Alright, they're still a full breast. This one here I sliced in half, and now we're going to smash them. So all you do is you get her in a baggie, and do not put it against the edge because you're going to flatten it out. And just get your flattener. And you flatten it like that. Push it out. There she goes. So she went from this to that. Ain't that cool? Let me get the rest of it and we'll be back. Hope I didn't hurt your ears with a banging. Alright, at this point we got them all flattened down with the magic of time. And so this is just Hillshire Farm brown sugar ham for sandwiches. And the reason I go with that is because it's thin. And so you can just lay them in there like that. Get you a couple pieces in there so you have some ham flavor. Actually, I'm going to rip this one to get it right up in there. This one right up in there. Right there. We're going to actually put one more piece on right there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take some of this Texas Cajun seasoning right there, dialing it up. Now we're going to take some mozzarella cheese, spread that sucker on there, one more spot, and we're good to go. Alright, see how easy Papa makes it. Now at this point, just going to roll it up. Oh, I did forget one thing, didn't I? My tie. Let me get my tie. Alright, now we're just going to put this around it. Just so. Tie her in a knot. Just so she don't fall apart on me. And we'll cut off that excess. As so. Now at this point, we throw down a little bit more Cajun seasoning in it. On it. Look at that goodness. Look at that fat boy. This is going to be awesome, y'all. Of course, I do it. I just enjoy cooking. Alright, we got one more thing to add to that bad boy right there. Bacon. So what I've gone and done is I got me some thin bacon, boy. And we're just going to wrap it around this bad boy. We're going to go 2 pieces, I think. That's awfully thin. Alright, we'll get her around there. We need some right there in that middle. You can't ever have too much bacon. A lot of fat on that though. And there's your bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Alright, let me get the other 2 done. And I'll meet you over at, we're using the Z grills today, people. The Z grills. Let's get on over there. A good reason to watch my video all the way through, not that it helps me, but it helps me for free. And you hitting that thumbs up helps me for free. Costs you nothing. It just helps Papa out. I did it a little bit different here. These took 2 pieces of bacon a piece, but I changed it up. So now what I'm doing is I'm putting the Texas Cajun Uncle Steve shake on that side and on that side. And I got a couple more things I changed up. This one's a little bit bigger than the others, so a little slicing difference there. But somebody's going to enjoy this biggin. You take your leftovers like this. You don't waste them. Get them up in there. Add more mozzarella cheese. Finally got up to 50 degrees. It's a little chilly out here for a while. All right, like I said, I got one more change up. Let's get my string ready for my bad boy. We're gonna go this way because that's the thinner side, and we go to the thicker part. Set her on here. Gonna tie her in. Cut off the excess. And here's my next change up. This right here. Can you see it? Not focusing in, is it? This here is candy bacon. This is really good rub to put on your bacon. Well, let's put the bacon on first, Papa. Alright, so now the candy bacon. Just adds a good flavor to the bacon. Somebody came up with a good product right here for bacon. Look at them bad boys. They look awesome and they're not even cooked yet. Alright, let's get these bad boys over to Z-Grill. I'm still impressed with the raw look. My gosh. Alright, let's do the veggies. Alright, I can admit when I'm wrong. So, see these? I got in there to Gigi and I said, these French cut green beans they're not stringed. She says that French cut string beans is slimmed down. That's what's supposed to go in this recipe. So I took the can in there and I said, look, French cut, sliced. She goes, it says fresh. Fresh cut. Yeah, another Papa Texas moment. All right, let's get this little surprise together. But if you do this, and I love when people come back and leave me comments or on Instagram or email me, sometimes they send me pictures of a cook they did that they copied me. Freaking love it, especially when the family loved it and they said, man, this is gonna be something we make about once a month and stuff. I love that stuff. All right, just remember, pretend these are French cut. I'm gonna call them that. Yeah. Hit that bell. I don't really know why you need to be seeing me cutting up a tater. I'm just gonna show you how I'm doing it. So we cut it in fours. I turn it this way. So cut it in chunks. That boy wasn't supposed to get up there. All right, just like that. Boom. She done. I'm gonna make y'all one. Oh, I gotta do the onion. All right, so now what you're gonna do, you're gonna do it up like this. Now, you put the shiny side of foil on the inside, not the outside. I know it looks prettier on the outside, but it's supposed to be on the inside because it insulates and keeps the heat in. Another tip from Papa Texas. All right. We're also going to be adding some Kerrygold butter, garlic, and herb. Look at that baby. So what we do, I've drained these French cut green beans. We're going to throw them in there like that. We're going to take some taters, throw them in there. And these are going on the grill. Let's throw a few onions in there. And at this point, you put the seasoning you're using, which for me is Texas Cajun, Uncle Steve shake. Sprinkle that in there. Salt and pepper works fantastic. And now what you're gonna do, you can take some of the butter. You can put about 2 tabs in there. People gonna love you. So here we got it. You do it up, supposed to do it up like a kiss. Like that candy. Do they even still make that? I think I've seen it a long time. And there you have it. So we'll be getting this on the grill. And just in case you want to know, I had 3 pieces of bacon left. You can't waste it. Why save 3 pieces of bacon? All right, let me get a couple more of these made up. All right, let's see what we got going on. Check that out. What I did is I put the 2 fattest ones in the middle because it heats up more right there. We're going to internal temperature 165 and make sure that bacon is crisped. And then we got some bacon there, and then there's our 3 veggie surprises. I will see y'all in a bit. Hit that thumbs up for Papa. Papa Texas. Check it out. The bacon's well done. I do not know about the veggies. These two need a little bit more. Them two. Check that out. Look at them bad boys. And there is the one we're going to try here in a minute. You know what? Let's go ahead. I'm probably doing this backwards. Let's cut into that. There's a string in there somewhere, remember? Whew! Check that out. And of course here, see if you can see down in there. Let's just dump this out right here. The surprise. Well, that's pretty cool. Of course I do this, but with French green beans. Anyway, that's what you got on your meal. Whew, it's steaming. You know what? Let's just do the veggies first. Let's get some onion in there. And a French green bean. Another tater. Let's do this one. That is freaking awesome. Let's go over here. And of course we want to get everything involved in this sucker. A Texas Cajun Uncle Steve shake brought this up to a new level for me. So I make this a lot. That kickers into a little higher gear. A little spice in there, but nothing. You're not going to be able to handle. Flavor is freaking spot on. This is really good, y'all. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. We will see you in the next one. See ya.